Wampa.
Left.
The wampa.
Okay.
Wait. Eat.
Clean up the bamboo, man. Clean up the bamboo, you know. We steam up in blood clot later.
You know what?
Yeah, we see.
Nice in here, man.
Alright, you don't want to know what see. You don't know shit. Let me say that. And even in China world and in Jamaica, you know. You have to try all kind of experience, you know. You're in China and you have to eat lizard, you know.
Rasta got to eat in it.
That's no bonus, man. That's Shabbat today, you know. Empress no burn nothing but cigarettes, man.
Try no danger.
Rock hard.
Eat.
Dangerous surgery, this is my Matthew.
Chop it off. Eat. Eat. What eat?
Ratty no one none of them stuff that we eat, ratty.
Yeah.
No, what's that?
Want. What you want?
Everything rat eat a Javi.
They fucking
Want. Want. What you want?
Much here come a Jamaica now, Matthew.
5.
5?
Whatอะไรค่ะ5 Come 5
So how do you know which part is the part you can eat?
This is the half
As
of
thin as you can get, as soft as you. It's more of a touch than a
See?
color.
half of fucking part. The more you hope of it, the more you get soft and nice and touch up.
Can you eat that outer part here too?
If you want, the soft part you're gonna it's sweet, you know.
A little bitter.
It's bitter, no?
It's bitter.
Eh?
Yeah. So we gotta get closer to the center.
Maybe.
That tastes like bitter.
Bitter up your sauce, you know. Bitter right through.
Go on and good then. That no good, man.
Bitter
This one's too old.
Fuck. Good work, Misty.
Fuck.
It's all bitter?
Bitter fucking stuff.
Wonder
Let me tell you what to say one next time when you come and get some other one.
Cut out one
This is not good, Ratty.
Yeah
I
I
don't
don't
want
want this fucking bitter fucking thing. Bitter in my fucking mouth right now. Draw back Ratty in this thing right now.
Bitter mouth One mouth
to eat it. How do you cook? You just steam it with water? That's it?
Yeah, I eat it.
I'll eat it, yeah.
Javi, you gotta eat this.
No,
I'll eat it.
No, that thing bitter, Matthew.
What, is it gonna make me shit my pants or something?
Yeah, no, you can't eat that thing.
Bitter
eat it right. It's like in China.
Look at the guys, you go over there, we catch a video.
Ah, fuck.
Maybe the very center is okay.
Bitter
You just gotta peel it down.
Bitter
Bitter, man.
Bitter
When I used to eat them, I'm so damn bitter, you know.
Bitter Mouth to mouth Bitter mouth Mouth Bitter mouth
Yeah, got it.
Put that in the video, man.
Ratty, not too much of them, I'll be there for mine.
You only gotta say it once, Rati.
Bitter mouth
Oh, I got it.
Bitter mouth
I got it.
Bitter mouth
Bamboo.
Bamboo
Come. Ratty. Javi, see the boy and show me the
Yo, Ratty, no
Alright.
trouble nothing around them, man. Fucking something bitter hard for me mouth, man. How you could we eat this, Matthew?
We just picked some of the wrong ones.
The right one there, and the right one where I cook your man. But then bitter.
Ratty said bitter.
Bitter
Guarantee if you don't check it out. I don't know any good for us. Yeah.
Yeah, wicked. What is this?
I'll be there, we are running now. Nobody know.
Cover it in sugar.
Make it cook white, see and where they know they have. This I go up on the website, the Ras Kitchen, bamboo and white rice. Nothing delicious, so.
Bassisin
Ras Kitchen.
Bassisin
Rassy Kitchen. And see if people don't want bamboo to eat. It's full of your vitamin, energy, bamboo. They say, what the fuck, this guy crazy. Yeah, yes. And type of bamboo we got, you know. Looks so good. Bamboo and white rice, man. It's not so easy, it's have to harder. It's a harder dish. Sample dish. Come and sample heavy nice dish.
I wonder if the dogs will even eat it.
I don't know. I don't know. So that's what you get from the bamboo. Yeah. And more still a cut.
This is called pure fuckery. This is...
Man still a cut. Man never that stop and cut this delicious food as Heimbo. So delicious.
How delicious is this going to be?
Oh, Heimbo, man, and white rice. So delicious.